Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to use the updated Quick Settings panel in Windows 11 to instantly enable spatial sound for your headphones. Spatial sound formats like Windows Sonic or Dolby Atmos simulate a multi-speaker theater layout right inside your headset, allowing you to pinpoint the exact direction of footsteps in video games or feel enveloped by cinematic movie scores. First, look down at the bottom right corner of your desktop taskbar. Click once on the Quick Settings cluster. This is the single combined button containing your Wi-Fi, volume, and battery icons. When the control panel pops up, look at the main volume slider bar and click the Select a Sound Output icon. It's the small headphone or speaker graphic sitting directly to the right of the volume bar. You can also press Windows key plus Control plus V simultaneously on your keyboard. This flips the panel over to reveal your audio routing properties. Scroll down slightly to the bottom of this submenu, and you will see the dedicated spatial audio section. Click on Windows Sonic for headphones to activate Microsoft's built-in 3D audio processing automatically. And that's it. Your per-app audio tracking is now completely optimized and locked down. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.